Hello, my acquaintances. Today, I'm continuing the Hallowhalen series. We've done Hamburglar, we've done Grimace, and guess who now? It's Birdie. So, got McDonald, got this. I think it comes off pretty easy. Nothing too crazy. All the Hallowhalens this year were nothing too crazy. Sorry. But if you want to know how I did this, then just keep on watching. And this will either be the last Hallowhalen of 2025 or the first Hallowhalen of 2026. So, goodbye. Just keep watching the video. Just keep watching it. So first of all, for the clothes, Birdie is a yellow bird with pink overalls on. I'm just gonna wear this pink vest. I don't got pink overalls. She wear like a pink vest and pink shorts. Or even a skirt, I feel like. It'll come across. This is my Reinforced Cafe shirt. I'm just gonna wear it backwards for this video here. For the makeup, I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. No face paint, no prosthetics. But stay as true as possible to her. She pretty much has bright blue eyeshadow, big ass eyelashes, and that's about it. So, I'm gonna go in the crease with yellow. Just to put something up there. Boom. And then I feel like I don't know what to do with my eyebrows. I might just leave them. We'll see how I feel once the wig is on. But I'm gonna do a thin line of eyeliner. Which I have to lock in for. Sorry. The closest thing to yellow lipstick I have is this gold. So we're gonna go. But with the marshmallows and the glam light. Okay. And then her lashes are big, but they're like spread apart. I think both of my lash options are pretty full. So let me see here. I wish I still had my ones from Rockstar Wigs, but they got too goopy and nasty. So, taking the fry lashes from Glam Light as well. And we're gonna put these on. Okay, so for accessories, I grabbed this fry earring, this burger earring, wailing up it on Etsy, this McDonald's bag, purse, because I already used my Happy Meal one for Grimace. I wanted to switch it up for this one. These kind of steampunk goggles, because I don't have actual aviator goggles. I figured these would work. And a little pink hair ties and these red bows, because I don't have pink bows, and that's what she has, so I'm going to use the both of them. So let's do the brown wig and do some loose braids. pretty much the finished look. I think it came out pretty good, pretty recognizable if you know who Birdie is. I think the McDonald's bag really helps out. And of course, if you're doing it in a group, it will be much more better. But pretty simple. Nothing too crazy. And see you next time. So you know the. Bye. Subscribe. See you later, all you haters.